You dumbass boy.
Okay, it's recording. You can tell your baddest story.
My baddest story is when I was 5 and my brother was 3. We played fireman. I thought that,
he burned my tent. I remember that. He burned my tent.
When it was inside.
Wait, please
I was
be a
inside
little
the
bit
tent.
quiet.
And then he burned it. And I just ran away.
My dad just saw like a light coming from the room and was like very sharp, and then he just
Was
lit
in de
it.
kamer.
Oh no.
I was burned out. Oh gee.
Ja,
I didn't huis aan
I
brand
wanted to play
gesteek. I
fireman
didn't
and I
I
wanted
didn't
to-
huis aan brand gesteek.
Softer. Like
Okay.
Okay, what is your...
no story.
Bro, you're dramatic. You're just
You're
embarrassed.
dramatic. You're dramatic. What did you do? What did you do? Did you clap in my cheek?
yeah, he actually did. It was actually really fun.
What? The baddest thing I ever done is
I'm looking on your phone.
I'm like messing around like here, and I do not know, like my dad told me like 1,000 times, do not climb on it, and I understand why, because the last time I climbed on that thing, this happened. So I literally climbed and I fell, and there's like an upper, lower and a bottom, so I fell, slammed to that, and if you didn't know, there's two sides, they had like spikes on it, and I fell on the spikes and then I fell on the floor. My mom and my dad does not know about it to this day. And yeah.
Yeah, and until the
Right,
to this day, I'm still keeping stealing something.
No.
Are you okay? I think you need to go to therapy.
No, I'm already here. Sometimes I'm already in therapy. We're having a standoff, sir. Okay,
Oh no.
whose turn is it?
We told all of our stories.
Okay, let's tell something like let's say
This
oh
guy's
yeah, and also the best thing what I did, I throw little girls in grade en wat dan daar's 'n hartenbos. Ek het hulle gegooi. I threw them
Wait,
because I saw something. I saw a girl who's scaring my butt off. I mean my booty. And then look, I just took her around and I threw her, and one of them stole my chocolate.
wait, be a little bit
And I know how
quiet.
does she come in my in my bag.
One of the
Okay.
girls that actually the true thing. I accidentally like John Cena and her like I didn't know I was so strong, and I like threw him like upside down. Yeah, like I threw her upside down.
Ja, maar
She
ek was
was
nog
crying, I was like,
daar.
go.
But ek was mos nog daar.
No,
Yeah.
holy fuck, bro.
What the f did you just say?
Oh no.
Bro, I almost burned the bush down.
Yeah, you still burned the bush. I mean, that's guilty. That's committee arson.
Like and
But that's A
subscribe
stand
if
for arson. Bro,
like and
what?
subscribe if you want to see my full body undressed.
Wait,
But don't worry,
wait, wait,
I'll blur the inappropriate stuff, okay?